Hey, it's Buff and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how even you can change the location of your iPhone instantly and without jailbreaking it. So without further ado, let's roll the video. So the name of the software is MockGo, which comes from the house of PhoneEasy. And just in case if you don't know about them, for that I would like to tell the fact that PhoneEasy is a fresh new startup that's dedicated to make trustable and user-friendly softwares. So getting back to the featured product for the day, that's MockGo, which basically is one of the best tools to quickly change the location of your iPhone in real time. It's a free software that's available on their official site to download, but of course the link to their site is in the description down below, so don't forget to check that out. So we all know that Pokemon Go is definitely one of those engaging real-world games that lets one catch Pokemons in real time. But traveling to yet another location to find Pokemons can be tiring, and that's when the need for a location spoofer arises. So in order to change the location of your iPhone, you need to connect your iPhone to the PC so that the software learns and detects your iPhone. Once done, you will be able to see the current location of the iPhone on the map. The first tool to change the location, all you need to do is just click on any country, any state, and even on any city that you see on the map. Just after you are done selecting it, tap Move Here, and you can even use the provided search bar on the top left to change the location to a specific one. And as a result, you will see the effect of change in location not only on your PC screen but also in your ongoing Pokemon game that happens in real time. This tool helps one change location from point A to point B. So while using this tool along with your current location, you also need to select one more location on the map for the software to take it as an endpoint. Once done, just click Start, and as a result, you will be able to see the change in location that occurs from point A to point B. The third tool for spoofing the location is the MultiSpot movement, which means that you can absolutely customize your route in real time. So apart from the point of start, just go ahead tapping on different cities or countries in a way that it creates a sort of route. And once you are done doing that, simply click on Start. As a result, you will not only see your iPhone's location getting changed on the map that gets displayed on the PC screen, but also see the in-game character moving, which is really pretty cool. Moreover, increasing or decreasing the speed will show an immediate effect in real time. Just in case, at any point of time, if you wish to get back to your default real-life location, all you need to do is just click on the restart logo over here, and the connected device will restart to get to your default location. So that's how you can keep collecting Pokemons without even traveling in real life. So with that being said, this is Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.